Welcome to Rajsusila Holistics. Today I am going to talk about Gomati Yantra. Gomati Yantra are got from Gomati river. Gomati river is a sacred river. From there we get this Gomati Yantra. These Gomati Yantras are very powerful. On one side it will be very smooth like this. It's a smooth structure on one side, and on the other side it will have lines like the circle of lines. So Gomati Yantra is not only a tool of which can derive abundance in our life, at the same time the circles what we see in the Gomati Yantra, small Gomati Yantras also you can see, it is more clearly visible the lines in it. These lines have the tendency to rotate and grab all our misfortune and swirl it and throw it away from our life. Always try to keep them 11 in number. Place it in your pocket, your wallet, your handbag, your drawer or your cupboard or your locker where you place your money and jewels. Another first time when you are going to start using the Gomati Yantra, if it is on a Monday, its power will become manifold. So try to use it from Monday. Another thing I want to tell you here, there will be many infants, small born babies, small children up to the age of 7. They cry very much. Nights they don't sleep properly. They don't eat properly. They fall sick often. For such children, you put a Gomati Yantra pendant for them around their neck or around their hip. Slowly what will happen? Crying will come down. They will start eating properly and be healthy. In some cases, what will happen? Two persons will have misunderstanding. It may be between two friends or two neighbors or two people, two partners in a firm. Maybe it's two male or two female or one male and one female. It doesn't matter. If you want an amicable solution between them, their relationship should become well. You take photo of both of them, put it in a red cover, place two Gomati Yantra in the same cover, and place it in the eastern part of your office, your shop, your establishment or your home. Slowly what will happen? Their enmity will go away, then they will become friends again. So in the same way, couple who have misunderstanding and they go even up to the extent of divorcing each other, in such cases also their parents or their well-wishers can take their photo, put it in a red cover, place two Gomati Yantras in it and place it in the southwest part of the house. So what will happen? Good friendship will once again spring between them, and they will leave the idea of divorcing and lead a happy life. Now I will explain you how Gomati Yantra can be used from the view of numerology. People having Kalsarp dosh, they can carry this Gomati Yantra with them or keep it in their altar to nullify its bad effect. In cases where people are born on 4th and having the Vedic number of 7, or people born on 7 and having the Vedic number of 4, what is birth number and what is Vedic number? The day you are born is called birth number. You are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, 7, 16, 25 of any month, it is your birth number. And the Vedic number is the total number of whole your date of birth, the year, month and date you are born. If the birth number is 4 and the Vedic number is 7, or if the birth number is 7 and the Vedic number is 4, this combination is a very bad combination, the number 4 and 7. It may lead to lot of up and down in life, upheavals in life, misfortunes in life. Such people, they are advised to carry this Gomati Yantra in their pocket or keep it in their altar so that their life will be smooth. In many of our clients, some hundreds of clients I have seen, this 4 and 7 combination leads to cancer. To avoid it, as a precautionary measure, You can place, who have this combination, they can place Gomati tree. Gomati tree is something like this. This Gomati tree they can place beside their bedside so that they doesn't fall prey to cancer. If you find these tips are useful, please like, share and subscribe our video.